Fugus, guys? What is FGS?
For God's sake.
It's for God's sake. FGS.
Yeah.
I feel like that should be capitalized if it's isn't that, what is that, an no, whatever, it's the thing where you don't make me learn new things. Okay, so you got Kyle here who says, don't add a programming language to your skill list after watching a 15-minute video on it. Yes, wait until you've written hello world at least. Guys, first of all, watching videos is the worst possible way to learn anything. It's the slowest, dumbest way you could learn it. Don't even watch them. Don't even watch your programming videos. What you should be watching our videos that are available on our channel, which do it. Subscribe, because you should watch stuff like this because it's more fun. That's a dumb meme.
Join the Techno Knots, YouTubers.